Welcome to our Practical Vedanta and Trading video series. It's still Napan here, founder of Master Markets, Illustrious Conference and the Traders Open Day. So today's video topic is going to be the trigger to fear. So what is this then? So let's analyze how this fear is first triggered into us as traders, as especially of your fear of the past losing trades, and that the current trade that you're in is also going to be a losing one. So how does it all start? So the first step is what happens if you understand the model is that it starts off with your sensory organs. That's how we start to perceive this world, right? And for us traders, it's actually our eyes, is it not, traders? So once you see the trade, let's say for example, if you're a swing trader, if it retraces back, you can start to see your profits dwindling away. And if especially it goes below your trailing stop loss and near to your initial stop loss, you can start to see it getting into a loss mode. Now, the second way is that once it goes into the sensory part, through your senses, mainly the eyes for traders, and then goes into your mind, then the mind starts to then create the fear based on the past or doubt or uncertainty about the future. So that's how the fear is created, the trigger through the senses, and then finally of memory of the past or uncertainty about the future of this trade going into loss creates the fear. Now, how do you overcome it? Now, if we know that the trigger is first the senses and then into the memory part of the past or the future, then all you can then do is not see the trade once you have placed it. So you close your eyes. Of course, you can't close your eyes practically, but you don't look at the screens, right? Until the time when you have to manage your trade. For especially intraday traders, could be at the end of the hour, or if it's every minute, it's a bit more trickier. But then if you're doing end of day, then you can just switch off the screens. Don't look at it until the end of the day. Okay, so you dissociate. So therefore, the information cannot go through the eyes into the mind. It cannot trigger the whole sequence and trigger the fear finally. So, and of course, for that, you need a lot of confidence in terms of your statistics that it's got to prove itself cumulatively. The important word is cumulatively over time. The logic has got to prove itself for consistent results. Okay? So just to recap on what I just mentioned, the first thing is the trigger is your senses, and it goes into your memory, the past, the future, to trigger the fear. If you want to overcome that, dissociate yourself, don't let the senses come into play, and have confidence over your stats to pull yourself for the long run for consistent performance. I wish this video has been very useful for you. Do contemplate on it, look at it a few times as well. Till the next time, as we always say, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.